Hi everybody, it's Melissa with Pixie Dust Adventures Travel Planners, and today I'm going to take you on a walkthrough of the Palafitos. We were just there in Mexico a couple of weeks ago. The Palafitos are the over-the-water bungalows at El Dorado Maroma Resort, and they are the only over-the-water bungalows in Mexico. They offer an excellent value for a romantic getaway for two. They're very affordable as far as over-the-water bungalows go. If your dates are flexible, we can look at finding the best price and the best value for your vacation. Sometimes there's some excellent sales on these. So look me up at pixiedustadventures.com. Again, my name is Melissa. We can talk and we can find the best situation for you. But stick around, watch this video. Afterward, I'll put some clips of the resort and sit back and relax and enjoy these beautiful over-the-water bungalows. Thank you for watching our video of the Palafitos. We hope that you enjoyed this quick peek at the over-the-water bungalows while we were there in Mexico a couple of weeks ago. We really enjoyed our time there. It's beautiful, the water is pretty, the bungalows are romantic, and there's so much to do at El Dorado Maroma. A lot of excursions, from riding camels to ATVs, a lot of other things. Great food, amazing restaurants, and so much more. So if you're looking for a romantic vacation getaway for two, make sure that you consider El Dorado Maroma and consider these over-the-water Palafitos. Again, my name is Melissa. I'm with Pixie Dust Adventures Travel Planners. Like this video, comment below, subscribe, and click that bell icon to get notifications when we post new videos of places that we've been. Thank you very much for watching. You can find me at pixiedustadventures.com if you would like complimentary concierge planning assistance for your next vacation based on hours of personal experience and professional training. Thank you for watching. Bye.